Even the pausing and asking yourself, do I need this or do I want this? Is this a necessity? Like asking yourself that question and being real with yourself, being upfront and honest with yourself, even if you have to walk in the bathroom mirror and have a nice little chat with you, it's a necessity. It's a necessity.
I'm here to tell you that you set the destination for your own financial journey. You have to take control of your money so you can make better financial decisions. I'm not going to tell you stop grabbing a cup of coffee, stop traveling, or stop going out to eat completely. It's so much deeper than that. You want to create a new lifestyle, not just go on a financial diet. It all starts with you, and it all starts with a budget. My mission is to erase the stigma around budgeting. We relate the words budget to being broke or penny pinching, when it truly doesn't have to be. All a budget means is making a plan for your money before you touch it or before you get it. So, if you just got paid, you don't really have a budget or a plan for your money, the first thing I need you to do is to stop and figure out so you can decide where that money is going. If you don't take the time to do this, you'll start spending because it's payday, you're feeling a little richer. That's the quickest way to spend money that you really don't have. Give every dollar a destination, whether it be a bill, investment, or savings.
Hi, I'm Nia Adams. I'm a certified financial education instructor, real estate investor, and author. I'm excited to bring my experience and passion for helping individuals live their best life on a budget to your organization. Whether it's in a Zoom meeting, at a conference, or in a breakout session, I'm determined to drive home personal finance concepts to help attendees change their money stories. Thank you for considering me for your next event.